Here are two 48 volts 100 amp hour batteries, one inverter, one removable bases, and the cables and tools needed to assemble them. First, install the wheels of the base. Press hard and then turn the red dial to fix the base and prevent it from moving to assemble the battery more stably. Put the battery stack on the base. Then put the screws in place and tighten. These screws and batteries are matched and sent to the user together. The inverter box is placed on the top, and the screws are also tightened. After the battery and inverter are installed, turn to the side with the connection port. Use the black wire to connect the black interface and the orange wire to connect the orange interface so that the two batteries can be connected into one. Align the interface and press down hard. Then connect the communication line separately so that the battery information can be connected, transmitted to the inverter, and finally shown on the display. If you need to connect the photovoltaic power generation system, you can open the partition on the side of the inverter to connect. At that time, you only need to connect the corresponding photovoltaic into it. After connecting, remember to install the partition as this is to protect the interface. We will give each customer an instruction manual. For more details, please refer to the instructions.